The car. You ready?
Oh, come on!
Oh, what the crap? That thing's going fast. Well, yeah. That car is fast. Holy cow. I'm probably going to pause this if we're going to go car chasing because it takes a long time. Yeah.
Let's do it on our bikes.
Hello guys, hello once again, Michael Greeno here, another video. Today we're going to be car chasing. My phone updated so now I can pause videos, so I'm going to pause it when there's nothing happening and then I'll start it back up when cars coming.
So about now you're going to stop it?
Probably about now, yeah. Alright, I'll be back. Okay, so, we got bored so we started throwing crap down here. Listen to this. That's a really weird noise.
Wait, listen to this.
That's like that's just quiet. That's just. It almost sounds like somebody taking a dump and died at the same time.
Here comes the car.
You're full of crap, dude. That's Bronson. All right. I'm gonna pause it this time, and we'll be back when there's a car.
Don't dump a bunch of junk down there.
Come on, I want to race it. Aw, they're not coming. I guess they're not coming. Dang it. I was hoping they were coming. Here's another car. Hopefully this one turns. This way, go this way. This way. Go this way. No, this way. We want to race you. No.
Michael!
I know. So, hopefully this guy's coming. Hopefully. I want to race him. He's coming? Yes, he's coming! Finally, a car! Run! Just jump on the trailer!
If I tried, I probably could have.
We should have just jumped on the stinking trailer!
And then right to the end and then jump off.
Alright, another truck. That was quite quick. Coming back from that last race, and there's another truck.
Come on. Yeah.
And stink. Yeah, I know. Guys, it's going on 3 minutes, so we're gonna make a part 2. I don't want to make these videos too extremely long, so we're gonna make a part 2. Hold on. So bye.